Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And in today's video, we will be talking about one important thing you're able to turn on for the health of your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now, if you are brand new here at the channel of jimmyispromo and you own a Samsung Galaxy device, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, as well as the bell for notifications so you get notified for future videos. And don't forget about that playlist tab on the very top to check out the entire playlist I've made so far for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now, I believe that there's one very important thing that us phone users forget to do, at least on a weekly basis, that we always do on a daily basis when it comes down to our TVs, our computers, laptops, as well as tablets, and that is turning them off or restarting them. But luckily for us Samsung users, there is a couple different setting changes that you are able to do to have this thing restart automatically once a week. Now, because your phone is a small computer, it's very important to at least turn it off or have it restart at least once a week. Sometimes you can also do it twice a week if you would like. One of the benefits of turning off your device is by giving it a small little refresh. It's clearing the RAM, it's giving the internals a little bit of a break. So if you follow these two different steps in this video, we'll ensure that your phone is restarting by itself automatically, and it's actually being done at night while you're sleeping. So one of the steps that you are able to do is go inside of your settings, and we're first going to turn on the auto restart. That is inside of the device maintenance. So once you go inside of device maintenance, on the very top right hand side, you have these three little dots and it says more options. Inside of more options, you have this one on the very top that says auto restart. Now inside of here, once you toggle this on, you are able to choose the time and the day that this is going to do a auto restart, and it'll do it within the hour of what you choose. So because I want to do this as I'm sleeping, I don't want it to do it during the day. You never really know when you're using your phone or when you want to use your phone. So I'm going to do it when I'm not using it at all, and that is when I'm asleep. So I will choose 3 a.m. and I'm going to do it on the day of every Tuesday. So it'll do it once a week for me, so I don't have to manually do it. Now you are able to choose it as either Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. So again, I'm going to say every Tuesday. Now, a couple things I do want to mention, and it does state it right here, is any unsaved data will be lost when your phone restarts. So just make sure you have everything saved, or just close out of all your applications so you don't have to worry about it. Now, a couple things down here, you do want to make sure that your screen is off and the phone isn't being used. So if you are sleeping, then these ones should all be checkboxed where it is able to restart your phone. But there is one setting that I am going to show you right after this to change, just to ensure that your phone knows that it's not being used and that the screen is off. So make sure you stay tuned to that. We'll get to that in just one second. But you also want to make sure your battery is above 30%, which most people kind of charge their phone overnight, so you shouldn't really have to worry about that. And you also want to make sure the SIM card lock is off, as well as the secure startup is off. Now that you have chosen your time as well as the day, the one different setting change I do want to let you guys know about to change is going to be your always on display. So for me, my always on display is right now. I don't know if this screen right here is letting my phone know, hey, it's being used, or the screen is on, because technically something is showing on the screen, and I want to ensure that the screen is turned off during the night. And obviously you don't need to have it on if you're already sleeping. So you might as well put your always on display as a schedule. So if you do pull down the notifications panel twice, you're going to see always on display. Press and hold on the icon, and then on the very top over here, you're going to notice where you can put in a schedule. So inside of here, you can either have it as show always, but you want to have the show always off and set your schedule. And so I have mine set up to where it's going to start at 7 a.m. and it will end at 11 p.m. Because usually during the day between 7 and 11, that is when I'm up. And after that, I don't really need my always on display to let me know what time it is, because I would be sleeping. Now, because my schedule is definitely turning off that always on display at 11 p.m., that means that at 3 a.m. there is no screen, nothing is on, no always on display, nothing is happening. So now it'll definitely restart my phone for me and keep my device healthy. So simply with those two steps, when you turned on the auto restart and you also had your always on display as a schedule of only when you are awake, if you set up your auto restart to be as you are sleeping, this phone will do it for you automatically. You don't have to worry about it. All of your RAM will be cleared, and turning off this small little computer is very important to do. I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe right over here, this little red circle on the very bottom left-hand side. Share this video with your friends and family and social media sites. And outside of that, I'll see you guys later.